this. Okay. Hey everyone. Hi Dimarao, Di, Frey, and I'm trying to pronounce this correctly. Ifechu Kudeni.
Yeah, I mean, you got it, yeah.
Awesome.
Because I'm Nigerian.
Adrian, okay.
I'm from Nigeria, but I school in Houston, Texas.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I'm really glad to see you all here. And I just want to remind you what we are up to today. So we had already covered the basics of Python, and we actually finished the object-oriented programming with Python last week or so. So you are good to actually finish the game that we started together. But I'm not sure if you actually have time to do this on your own. So let me just remind you and also share this with Andrew. Right. This is actually super easy text-based adventure game. And this is the link to the resource. So you can actually access this course without any payment for a month. Like it's exactly 4 weeks for you to complete 4 weeks of this study material. And I want to ensure that this is enough time, because I myself just access this with my Gmail account and didn't have to pay anything. But if you want to have some more support from educators or from TAs, maybe it's good to pay for this course and get more resources.
Awesome.
So would you like to share your progress? Have you started, maybe looked at your code, your starter code, and then closed it? Or have you tried to elaborate on the game that we have? If not, it's completely fine. I'm just interested.
Wait, who? Me?
No, not you. Not you.
I was like, what?
Ray. Maybe Ray wasn't present like a couple of weeks ago, and Dave.
Hi. I was trying to do, but I couldn't finish it all because I was struggling. I think I did some modifications, some corrections, but still I think I need to do more. Because
like, comfortable to share your screen, just we can maybe debug or help you a little bit. Especially
I can.
You can?
I cannot share.
Okay, so I need to also allow you again. Maybe now I can share.
So.
Okay. Can you describe what you're doing here?
I was trying to. So firstly, I just took some bases from the code that you created earlier. So it's just like the introduction part. So our kitchen, our ballroom, dining hall. Then here's our day and its weakness, like conversation, how it goes. And then I've tried to include some items. Yeah, like each room should have some items. So I created 2 items like necklace and the ring, which are in the ballroom. But I think okay, now when I run, you'll understand what I meant. Then this is Melissa, like a friend. And it's just linking the rooms. After it's our current room is kitchen, then dead, like until you are dead or like alive. So here goes the while loop. And the first part shows like, is there any inhabitant in the room? And is there any item in the room? But I'm not sure, is it correct or not? Okay. Then here I've tried to put the item into the backpack by using append, but I think mine is not working because when I print backpack, it goes to the room. Okay, still. Like it's talking, fighting, hugging, taking, and I don't know what is that. I think I just got it like from the from the website. So like when I run, okay, it shows like the first part. Then here comes our zombie. After Dave says yummy brain is coming my way, then shows the current location kitchen. But like if I do like south, okay, it gives me the Dave's like west, for example, and it shows like an object that I found.
Awesome.
But it also shows the Melissa. Is it right? Like should it show that Melissa is there, like a friend? So I'm like, I'm not sure what I'm
So
doing
maybe
actually.
you
Like,
have different person in each room, and some of them are like good characters, and one is a bad character, maybe. So it just says like Melissa is here, so you assign the person to this room, right? When you go to this room,
yeah,
you...
Melissa is a friend. Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah, Melissa is I said it as a friend.
I think it's just a description. It's not an arrow yet here. You have a sweet pony, you found an object, and then what? Do you know what you
Then
can...
I was thinking like if I say backpack, will it take into the backpack? But it shows error.
Now let's go to this backpack function or something you wrote. I was interested,
Like
where did you define backpack? Okay, so backpack is a list.
I just put it backpack here.
And okay, and then what?
Like I said, if command is backpack, I was expecting like this one, like now you have in the item name by using append. Is it right? Or should I use as method?
So it's written here type error. You can only concatenate string. So append is for strings, right? Is it? Let me just check. I think we... okay, so it adds a single item to the existing list. Okay. And you have... okay, so here you have a string. Now you have a something, and then plus a list. So you're trying to add a string,
yeah, to the list.
Yes. So you need either to save a backpack as a string and just sum it, or retrieve the item from the list, right? And then sum it.
Then later add.
Let's try one of these options.
Maybe like here, should I like backpack append? Should I like bring this code first and then show the list?
Let's try different options.
Just like backpack.
So if you write backpack, let's run it. What will be the outcome? Let's see. I just want you to try and understand your code by trial and error, maybe. Okay, so we have again a mistake here, right? What's wrong here? What do you think? So when you call backpack, what do you do?
I try to add
Just call a
that
list.
thing.
You again trying to add a list to the string. If you call just backpack. So backpack is a list. How to retrieve a string from this list?
What's the problem?
So we are here have the problem. We have now you have something, it's a string. And if we call just backpack, it's a list. So I'm trying to help Dimaral to understand how to retrieve the string from the list without telling her the answer.
Oh, okay.
I'm just trying to.
I think I'm stupid.
No, you're not.
Figure it out by myself.
No, you're not. You're not. It's just debugging, right? We're trying to find the mistake. So here we have backpack. It's a list, right? If you just call backpack, it's a list. So you already know, you're not stupid. You already know that if you try to sum up a list to the string, you have an error. So you need to achieve a string, right? So how can we retrieve something from the list? How can we, for example, if I have a list of numbers, how can I retrieve the first item in the list or the last item in the list?
Using the square brackets and
yes, indexing, right?
Yeah, indexing. Yes.
Awesome. Yeah, you can
So
call
should I just put?
Okay, and what? So you need to know what exactly the number you're trying to n minus 1. So okay, first of all, we haven't calculated n yet, and also you know that your item or your backpack actually is empty, right? And then when you append something, it's going to be only one object, right? So if it's just one object in the list, what would be its index?
Like, should I say backpack +1 and +1?
No. Sorry. You have an empty list backpack, so it's empty, right? You have nothing in it. And if you add something to your backpack, which index is going to be filled in? If you add something, so
n +1?
0.
No.
So you first
0.
So your first item in the list is 0 index, right? Second item in the list is 1.
1.
So I think this is really nice opportunity to refresh and actually apply the knowledge that we have already gained when we do these kind of projects, right? Okay, so we just can write backpack index 0 and we can retrieve this first item and the only item. In the line, maybe 73. Okay.
Like this?
Let's try. And then, yeah.
I cannot go first.
Okay, so
okay.
Now
maybe I will modify it again, or I don't know. It's not working, I guess.
It should have written you have something, right? If Okay, what item? So you can change rooms and back current room. Okay. Does anybody understand why you have no print statement?
What? What's the problem?
So here in the line 70, we write backpack and then we expect a printed statement. Now you have a sweet pony, but there is nothing happens.
If okay, once okay, can you scroll the output? I want to see what the output. Okay, I want to see what happens when you type backpack.
Yeah.
Like I cannot type backpack. Like I type, but when I put enter, it's not going further. Like it's bringing me back to this room again.
Okay, scroll up.
Uh,
Scroll. Take the code up. That's be a problem.
yeah,
Can you put on max screen full? Okay.
maybe in your class. So after we write backpack, what should we do next? So okay, so it should write, at least it should write, now you have a sweet pony. But after that,
Actually, sweet pony is like friend.
it's not, okay. What's the item?
Like it's Melissa's description is sweet pony. Item is
yeah, room item.
It was actually necklace.
Necklace.
Yeah, necklace or ring it should be, but it's just showing the description of it. So
let's see the definition of necklace and ring. Where do you define it?
Here
okay.
as an item.
Okay. So have you defined getter?
Yeah, in item, yes.
Yeah, maybe you should
Get description.
write get name.
Yeah, get name there is.
But you need to call it, right? Get name, so it will return you a name. But you now have just a name, dot name. So if you go back to the main file, and then where do you call item dot name? Instead of dot name, call get name. So you're trying to get the name from the class, right? Room item in this like 73 or 70, yeah, 72. No, not here. Okay, room item is current. Okay, get item, you save room item and then room item dot name. Why can't you just call root item? It's already saved a name, right? Get item. If you change the line 72 to 72, yeah, to room item, just room item.
Without name.
Yeah, why need a name? Can only concatenate string. not item to string.
Or should I put, I don't know.
No, it's about room item. So root item, get name. Okay, it will give you name.
Okay, what happened? Can only concentrate. Okay. Hey, can you use this formula? I'll send a piece of code to the chat.
It's something with your.
Yeah, I just sent a piece of code to the chat.
I think now the problem is not with the backpack, but with the class item.
I sent a piece of code to fix this error.
Oh, really?
Yeah, check the chat.
I think you wrote to the direct. Okay, so I'll forward it to everyone.
Oh, okay. I sent it privately.
Oh, you need one more round bracket after print statement.
Yeah.
173.
Oh, I forgot about that.
Yes.
At the end of
Here at the end.
yeah, okay.
Okay. No. So let's go into the room item. Yes, okay. Okay, in the main file. Huh?
I wanted to add name.
Okay, in the main file, so where do you set the name?
Item's name? Here.
No, okay, set item necklace. Okay, and ring. Then you
I set them in the ballroom. But ballroom showing only the necklace. I want to put it in kitchen then.
Why in the kitchen? We are now in the dining hall, and what's in the dining hall?
In dining hall.
So you
is
write.
Dave.
No, you write like the dining hall is okay. So we are now in ballroom. Okay. So we are now in the ballroom, and you have a set item necklace. Okay, it's fine.
Because like if I put the two things in one room, it's showing only the first one.
No, but you are now in the ballroom.
Yeah.
So you have a necklace set in the ballroom. Then we set the item and we want to get it. Okay, let's go to, no, I think you already said, okay, okay, ring. So now it's a ring, right? Let's go down and where you get item. Okay, so here, current room gets the item and it's saved in the room item. Okay. Why it doesn't work? Can we print room item?
Delete?
No, print. I want to check. Can we print it after we get it here in the
Here?
65? So after 64, add or just on the 64 line, like print room item. Can we do this? Or we need to read the, oh, so there is no error, right? Okay. Okay, so we have no item in the kitchen. Yes. No. Let's go to the ballroom. Nothing. And then ball. It's a dining hall.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's okay, so it's not a string, it's item dot item object. Okay, so if you write dot name, room item dot name, but I don't understand actually this. So object has no attribute name. If you just use get name, instead of saving this into the variable, it's the same, right? Okay, let me just Google it. Okay, let's try, instead of getting this item, just use current room dot name. You can, no, not here. Yeah, even like delete this line or comment this line and next line, and then on the 73rd line, write current room dot name.
Instead of backpack?
Do not delete everything, just this is fine, right? Okay, so 64, maybe comment this line 64. No, not 74, 64.
Ah, 6.
Yes. And Yes, 70. Okay. And 73rd line, instead of room item, let's write current item dot name. But maybe it will not work. So the problem is our object has no attribute name. And what does it mean? What's our object here is current item or what? Okay, so current room dot name, yeah. We have no such thing, yeah. Or item. Is there item?
There is.
No, yeah.
In the room there was one item. Let's just try it.
What's our object here? I forgot. What's our object? Okay, so here is in unintended. You have one more like space on the line 73. You need or intent. So you need no. You need to back B.
Because mine will delete the other
Yeah,
letter.
yeah. And on the line 73, you need to add one more space. Okay.
I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. I mean, this is funny. Okay. Oh, yeah, okay. So let's try again. Actually, I'm a little bit lost. What's our object here? And if you know what's the object, then we just maybe solve this problem. Nothing, right? Can anybody understand what's our object here? Okay. Ballroom name. Ballroom get item. Let's try. Ballroom is current room, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so
actually item should be in the ballroom.
No, we wrote like
I'm
ballroom get item, right?
Yeah, I wrote it. There was a code.
Or set item. So
yeah, ballroom set item.
Okay, current room get item. Let's add on line 72 current room dot get item. Yes. Here. No. Get item and add 2 squares. 2 brackets. It's a function, right? No, I mean just regular round brackets.
Oh.
And then one more, but yeah, okay. Maybe there was a mistake all the time. Okay, let's try. Backpack. Can you? Oh, so it doesn't work?
No.
I missed this. Okay. So Div suggests to add one more print on line 72 to know whether the backpack block is working or not. So he suggests to add print statement, like wrap your backpack line with the print, or you need to delete everything, right?
Which line? 72. Delete.
Not delete. Can you command Z?
Okay,
Yeah,
I get one.
wrap it in print statement. So we want to print and see what is there. Get item. Okay.
If you don't go.
Should it supposedly print here?
Nothing, right?
Yeah.
Div, it doesn't work.
Maybe I will go through again later because I don't think it's working now.
So he suggests to just print working. Okay, so he wants to check whether in general this block works or not. So if you have like type backpack, yeah, whether the command is working or not.
Not working.
No, I mean just print, add one more statement like print working. Div wrote here in the chat.
Just without like print working.
So after we write backpack, whether it will print us, no, do not delete it. Just after that, add statement print working, like a string working. Yes. Maybe it will not work, I'm not sure.
Backpack. Okay.
It doesn't work. Okay.
Maybe others who did. It seems mine is not working.
You did a great job. I think you added a lot of different features. Maybe there is something we're just missing. Yeah, maybe we defined backpack wrongly. So where is our backpack?
Backpack is over there.
Oh, okay. But okay, so you have defined backpack as a list. Oh no, it's also so you definitely need to add quotes on line 71 because
it's a command, right?
Because it's the same name for a variable list. And yeah, so we definitely need this. If command is equal to backpack. Yeah, but it was the same thing. Yeah, we need maybe some time to understand this code.
Yeah, maybe I should.
It was a nice practice anyway. I like it.
Yeah. Thank you.
Maybe you can share this code with me, with all of us, and we can just go through it.
Yeah, can I get the code?
Sure.
Yeah, I will share in the chat.
Mm-hmm.
Can I do that?
Anyone else wants to share the code?
Yeah. Do you all have LinkedIn or GitHub so I can connect with you all? Here is my LinkedIn. Okay, I just downloaded the code.
Awesome, we will add you. Yeah, sure.
Also my GitHub. Do you all have GitHub?
Yep, but not so sophisticated, maybe.
What?
Not so developed, I guess.
Oh, okay. You can just follow also.
Okay.
I have LinkedIn, not GitHub.
Okay, anyone wants to share the code? Dua, maybe you have did something. Okay, if not, then maybe we can stop here today and just go through Dimaral's code and try to find the bug or something we were struggling this study jam. And I think because already we finished the course and it's up to you to try and practice. So as you can see, when you are trying to code yourself, you actually run into some problems which you do not recognize when you just see me typing the code. So I highly recommend to just at least add one more feature to this game to test. If you have no problems, then maybe you're okay. You don't have any other, you don't have to practice more. And I feel like we can start some projects, small projects from the next study jam to just practice more and get some things done. Thank you everyone who joined, and I hope to see you next week. Bye-bye. Thank you, Dimral.